How to activate StepCard. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to step.com. Begin the activation process by signing in to your STEP account. If you're a new user, the STEP website offers a straightforward registration process to set up your account. Once successfully signed in, locate and click on the Manage Card section. This section is specifically designed for the administration of your STEP card and includes an icon representing your physical card. Within the Manage Card section, identify the Activate option associated with your STEP card icon. Click on it to initiate the activation process. A series of on-screen prompts will appear. Follow these prompts meticulously, ensuring careful attention to detail at each step of the activation process. Continue through the prompts until you reach the completion stage. A successful activation will be confirmed on the screen, providing you with the assurance that your STEP card is now fully activated and ready for use. By following these comprehensive steps, you ensure a smooth and trouble-free activation process for your STEP card via the STEP website. That's how you can activate STEP card.